Hey guys, good morning. It is morning time. I am done doing all the errands I had to do. It is 9:30 a.m. and we're gonna go ahead and do 50 sit-ups today to work our stomach and get in the process of losing those 10 pounds plus being fit. Okay, so those were the 50 sit-ups. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and why not comment. And I hope you guys stayed with me in this journey to lose 10 pounds and get fit and fall in love with myself again. So I'll see you guys till next time. Bye.